Hello, my name is Christina, and let me welcome you to the video presentation of two undisclosed kinds of measures for executing EFT to draw riches. This article is written by Rishan B., and this video presentation is brought to you by AttractingAbundanceHQ.com. EFT and abundance is a perfect union. In this article, I will discuss two undisclosed kinds of measures for executing EFT to draw riches. Accommodating the talent of getting free of preventive ideals, feelings, or practices using EFT will enable you to bring in riches at will. If you don't know how to do this, you'll find yourself striving to attract what you want. You'll likely get discouraged and return back to the sluggish grind of forcing motion and witnessing little to absolutely no results. We'll be implementing EFT to eliminate the emotional charge behind the constraining beliefs and thoughts that keep you from attracting riches. Once that emotional charge has been taken away, you'll uncover that those thoughts and beliefs will no longer have any effect over you. Implementing EFT in this proactive manner, you can essentially decide exactly how you'd like to experience about any aim or subject, and as you well recognize, how you feel about your aim is the primary representation of what you're trying to attract. The first undisclosed measure: eliminate immediate issues, hindrances, or worries in attracting wealth. This first process is very uncomplicated. It's designed to eliminate the immediate blocks that surface with respect to our goal. The first thing that you need to do is to acquire out a pen and a blank piece of paper. Second, put in writing your goal. Pick a certain area in your life for which you'd like to attract greater riches. Third, take note of the first thing that comes to mind. Don't censor, only take note of whatever comes up. Number 4, carry out the EFT process on whatsoever comes up. Replicate the procedure right until the emotional charge is long gone. Fifth, read the target out to yourself and take note of the next thing that pops up. Tap out the emotional charge from that too. And lastly, proceed until you want a break or attain a state where you think positive about your aim. The second undisclosed measure, the SMART queries process. This next method consists of asking yourself a powerful, searching query as a way to bring out any further hindrances. First, acquire out yet another blank piece of paper. Second, write out the following query: what's preventing me from acquiring my goal of? Fill in the information of your aim at the end of the sentence. Third, consider the initial thing that occurs to mind and write it beneath the question. Number 4, at this point, tap away the emotional charge from that idea, belief, or thoughts, utilizing EFT. Repeat the process until finally the charge is absent. Number 5, read the question out to yourself once more. Write down the initial thing that occurs to mind and tap away the emotional charge. And lastly, carry on until you have to have a break or run out of blockages to get rid of. Upon executing those two processes alone, will definitely increase the strength with which you are attracting your targets. Now that you have these two procedures, the next thing to do is to get out a piece of paper right now and commence on process number 1. These are my resources. My website, http://attractingabundancehq.com. Next, watch the step-by-step blueprint for attracting anything you want into your life by going to at http://attractingabundancehq.com /video reveals step by step blueprint 4 dash attracting dash anything dash you dash want. The third one is to how to manifest absolutely anything and see results in 2 days flat without silly fluff, Jedi mind power skills, or years of practice. Guaranteed. Um, at http://manifestitalltoday.com slash manifest anything. And lastly, effortless abundance blueprint, the synergy of internal peace and external success at http://effortlessabundancesite.com. Have a nice day.